Today, we're looking at ME4 silicone-based roof-to-wall repair detail. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems can be deteriorated foam closure and failed sealant. Let's look at a better way. Always thoroughly clean the roof surface. Lay out APOC incredible tape. Mark and cut out around screw heads. Cut to length. Peel back the release liner and apply incredible tape over the seam, splitting it equally on both sides. And use a hand roller to ensure proper adhesion. Using a chip brush, apply APOC 581 Armor Flash patch and sealant over the incredible tape. Now your APOC ME4 silicone-based roof-to-wall repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.